Hey, what's up, Charter fam? I've been getting messages lately about how to get on the Base Network. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? Thanks for joining the show today. First off, I am not a financial advisor, just a lonely crypto bro who loves investing in different crypto projects. Do not invest in a crypto project that we may bring to the table, all right? Join our Telegram group, links in the description, where we find and share new crypto project info. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto, baby. You'll go broke, and it's a very easy process. I actually had a play that I made and then it got rugged, and I got on there, but my boy actually got us on there, so he actually did the process, okay? But last night I actually took the time out, and because I thought that it was gonna be complicated, so last night I took the time out and I actually did the process, and it's a lot easier than I thought it was. All right, so you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna get right to it. It should not be that long of a video. Okay, so if you guys have a Coinbase account, Binance, Robinhood, whatever, you can use all of them, but I'm gonna tell you, I don't know about fees when you're sending the Ethereum through other wallets. I mean, through other CX exchanges like Binance and all that, because I'm not too sure if they have a direct link to the Base network like Coinbase does, because it's they shit, you know what I mean? So I know that I don't think Binance does, so you might have to buy the ETH and then maybe send over the ETH as ETH and then bridge it like that. But I don't know nothing about those gas fees, what it's going to cost you. So just be aware of that, okay? So, but me, the process that I did yesterday, all I did was I got a Coinbase account. Well, I already had one, but if you don't have a Coinbase account, start up a Coinbase account. Once you do that, you're going to want to purchase Ethereum. Easy peasy. Purchase Ethereum, and as soon as the transaction's complete, you look in your wallet, make sure that it's in there. You're going to hit the send button, okay? Hit the send button. Then you're going to see network, because they're going to want to know what network you're going to want to send that Ethereum to. So you're going to click on there, and all you're going to do is change it to the Base network. Change it to the Base network. That is it. And then complete your transaction, hit next. It'll send your ETH onto the Base network. Done deal, okay? So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and go on over to your Coinbase wallet. If you don't have a Coinbase wallet, go ahead and get yourself a Coinbase wallet, and then when you get a chance, take a minute to write down that 12-word key phrase or whatever, just in case like your computer go out on you or whatever the case may be, and you need to recover your account, because without that key phrase, you ain't getting your account back. It's a wrap. So basically, once you do that with the Coinbase wallet, and you've already sent your ETH over, which it switches it over to like WETH or something like that, and then you go onto your Coinbase wallet. And the way that I did it, which was so simple, I went down to Explore, because I know in MetaMask you click down, blah blah, you punch up whatever address, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, wherever you're going. So anyway, you can use it like that. But I went down into the Explore tab, and then I was sliding down the bar, just seeing, and I actually see the meme coins on the Base network already in the Explore tab. So all I had to do was click on Brett, which is 3 meme coins that I purchased last night, which was one of the 3 meme coins that I purchased last night. I clicked on Brett, and then I proceeded with my transaction, nice and easy, right through your Coinbase wallet. And then you can find all that under your assets tab in your Coinbase wallet, okay? Very easy, very simple. So I'll run by it one more time really quick. If you have a Coinbase account, purchase your ETH on your Coinbase. You're gonna send it to the Base network. Change the network to Base, send it to them. Done deal. Nice and easy. And the transaction fee was 0. I think it was like a penny. It was a penny or 0. It was one of the two. I think it might have been like a penny. That's stupid cheap. Then once you do that, it's over there. It'll be in the Base network. You're gonna go ahead, get onto your Coinbase wallet, go down to your Explore tab, If you don't see the meme coin options in there, which you should, because it should still be sitting in there, if you don't see them in there, go ahead to your Explore tab and go to your little search bar and type in Uniswap, or wherever you plan on buying Brett at, or buying whatever meme coins you want to get off the Base Network. You can go ahead and go to wherever Base Network tokens are at, and you can look through and all that. Go there and then handle your business through there. But they make it so easy, okay? And the 3 tokens that I actually got purchased last night, I purchased Brett was one. I got into the DGen token, and I also got into Toshi. Okay, and I think those are going to be the only 3 memes I think I'm going to hop into on the Base Network, but don't hold me to that, because I'm a true DGen, and next week I will have all kinds of memes. All it takes is one. So, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. It's a very, very easy process. You guys have any questions for me, anything like that, let me know. You guys have a good one.